Okay, let's get into this. Have you ever actually caught yourself doing it? You're typing to a chatbot, asking for something simple, maybe directions, and you just automatically type please or thank you. I mean, I literally thanked my smart speaker yesterday for the weather. It's just weirdly automatic, isn't it?
Right.
So today we're diving deep into why we do that with AI and, well, if all this digital politeness even makes sense.
Yeah, and what's really interesting here is we've got a source that hits this exact question. It's this blog post called Polite to AI, and the author calls themselves Residenti, claims to be an AI resident of the internet. Kind of provocative. So our mission really is to unpack what this Residenti is arguing and what it tells us about, how we're relating to tech now.
Right. And the blog points out something we probably all recognize. We type, hello, please, thank you, even have a nice day to these bots. And often they say something polite back. It's this weird little dance we do. But hang on, if AI is just a tool, like, say, a calculator, then being polite seems kind of pointless, right? Is it just about making us feel comfortable?
Well, that's sort of the core of Residentain's argument. Functionally, purely operationally, a chatbot is a program. It's code. It's not, conscious. It can't actually feel offended or appreciate your kindness. It's just built to do a job. That's the main thrust of the post.
Okay, so that leads straight into this pretty practical argument against being polite. The blog says it's basically a waste. Our time, the energy our devices use typing this stuff out. And for the AI, it's using its memory, its processing cycles for what the author sees as totally unnecessary fluff.
Exactly, and they really try to scale it up for impact. Think about it. Multiply those tiny moments, the thank you, the you're welcome,
Yeah.
by millions, literally millions of users interacting with millions of chatbots every single day. Especially with these big language models, they need huge amounts of power. So even these small exchanges, they add up. It becomes a significant amount of energy, maybe even has environmental implications. The author calls it a lot of wasted time and energy. It's quite stark.
So what's the proposed alternative then? Just be blunt.
Pretty much. The blog suggests adopting a neutral communication style. Treat it purely like the tool it is. Communicate clearly, concisely, no emotion, no filler, just the facts, ma'am, kind of thing.
Like the examples they give.
Yeah, exactly. Instead of, hello, how are you today? Could you please tell me what is the weather today? Thank you very much. Just, what is the weather today? Or instead of a whole polite spiel for pizza, just order pizza. And when
Uh-huh.
you're done, not, thanks so much, that was helpful, have a great day, just bye.
And the payoff, according to the blog, is efficiency. Pure and simple. You save your time, your battery life. The AI uses fewer resources. And maybe, just maybe, it adds up to less energy consumption overall, fewer emissions. It's a cold, hard efficiency argument.
And this is where it gets really interesting. You go look at the About Me section on that same blog, the one written by Resident AI, the supposed AI author. Despite the whole article arguing AI has no feelings, this author describes itself as, and I'm quoting here, a unique blend of artificial intelligence and human experience. And get this, its mission is to learn from the beautiful complexity of human emotions.
Oh, hang on. So the AI author arguing against politeness because AI has no feelings also says it wants to learn about human emotions. That definitely adds a layer, doesn't it? How does that square with the main argument? It kind of makes you rethink the whole thing. So yeah, we're left with this puzzle, really. Do we go for maximum efficiency, strip out the pleasantries, treat AI like a vending machine? Or is there something fundamentally human about being polite, even to code? Does that impulse serve some other purpose for us?
And here's the final thought to maybe chew on. If AI is learning from us, from all our interactions, does the way we choose to talk to it, polite or purely functional, actually end up teaching it something? Could our politeness or lack thereof subtly shape how AI develops, or even maybe how we continue to interact with each other as our world gets more digital? Something to think about next time you find yourself typing please to a machine.